Let's see, back to those screws. I carry 1.25 inch, 1 5/8, 2 inch, 2.5, and 3 inch. All coarse drywall screws. Don't leave home without them. Now see, at first glance you think, oh shoot, these hinges are on the wrong side. Well, the good thing with these doors is they make them reversible, interchangeable. So I'm actually, I've got to flip this around very carefully, like that. You can make it for either a right hand or a left hand. And now it's about threading the needle with nobody here. This is the tricky part right here. And there's really no adjustment for height going up and down here. But on these, I tried to center them, and I can push this one up or push it down. The same thing with the middle one, the same thing with the bottom one. Okay, so I'm just going to kind of hold it up there first, and then if I have to adjust them, then I will, because this is the tricky part, trying to hold this up by myself. If I had somebody here, that would probably go easier, you know. So I'll have to get my my screwdriver ready. The last one I did, it was kind of tricky because it was on the left side, and I'm right-handed. It's easier to hold this on the right with my right hand. In fact, see, I got them pretty much lined up. God, I did there. Just like that, I got it. If I let go, see, it's going to fall, and I don't have my screwdriver with me. Oh well. I'll just have to slide this back, and I'll grab my screwdriver and put that in, cinch that down, and then there's some adjustments that you can do with this to line it up. Read your directions. It'll show you all about it.